He's Stonebraker and he does stuff, yeah. Feel the hum of the wheels out there. Not perfect, but he dares to dream. Hit that subscribe, make that bell scream.
Let's do the old reliable route here. What's up, YouTube? It's your old buddy, your old pal. We go back 3 years. 41-year-old Stonebraker does stuff. Out here riding a bicycle at 8:27 p.m. Getting sung to by 15 million cicadas. I think they're telling me that my videos suck. And I'm never going to reach 1,000 subscribers. Of course, that's just me thinking, I don't speak cicada. If you speak cicada, please give me a better idea what they're saying. Even more right there. But anyways, guys, I was not going to film a video today. I actually tried to make a video yesterday with my niece. That's right, my 12-year-old, soon-to-be 13-year-old niece. Her and her friend have been asking me the last week or so if they could ride my e-bikes. Now, you guys know the bikes that I currently have, they're, I like all of them, all 4 of them. And I would probably say, 3 out of the 4 bikes, I should say, are not super like entry level. I would probably say they're a little above what I would prefer a 13-year-old. If I continue to have issues with the GoPro, if you guys have a GoPro and you have an SD card that meets all the requirements, it goes above and beyond the requirements, but every now and then it'll stop working and say that your SD card can't handle your current settings, please let me know how to fix it. I've tried everything and nothing seems to work. So I can record for 20 minutes and it dies. I can go for 30 seconds, or in this case, I can record for about 3 minutes. Super frustrating. I was in a pretty good mood out here to get a ride in, and that just really sets my britches on fire. But we're gonna try to go and see what we can get here. I changed the setting just to change the color range from 10-bit to 8-bit. I don't think that's gonna cause anything to work, but I guess we'll see what happens here. But I don't remember what I was talking about. That's how frustrated this GoPro anger lifestyle has gotten me. But anyways, I believe I was talking about my niece and her friend. So the other day I decided, okay, we'll test it out. So my niece is not very tall, and her friend is even not very taller. She's shorter. So I thought, let me see if they can handle the Ebike Ranger 3.0 and see if they can handle the NFE Journey, which are the 20x4 e-bikes. So I put the seats as low as possible, and barely, my niece could touch, barely, but she could touch. Her friend was on the NFE, and she really couldn't touch, but I mean, she was able to ride it. So I showed them how to ride e-bikes. I told them about pedal assist. I told them how I'm such a cool e-biker on YouTube and I'm famous, and they think I'm total cringe. But they did really good, actually. We rode in town. I really kind of wish they would have worn helmets, but I was with them, and I literally watched them stop completely at every stop sign. I watched them stop completely when they didn't have to. They weren't even comfortable going above pedal assist too, so they were keeping it speeds really 15, 16 miles an hour. So I was right there too. I was telling them that there was a car coming to get all the way over. So they did really good. But I think eventually, yeah, she's gonna wanna ride it again. We went out yesterday and rode it, and we were gonna make a video, and I had the same issue with the GoPro, so we just gave up. And plus it's difficult trying to record 2 DJI audio sessions at the same time, and I was gonna do it, but it kept messing up, and I said, screw it, we'll just go for a ride and we'll make a video next time. But she did really great, and I think if she's with me and I can watch her and I can stay on her left and look behind her and make sure she's still fine, we'll do great, and I think she'll be okay. I think she's smart enough to not want to go crazy speeds, but you know, after taking her out and everything, I feel like she's probably going to want her own e-bike, and she's got a birthday coming up the end of October, and I'm really thinking about getting her an e-bike. Even thought about just giving her the Ebike Ranger 3.0 Pro, because she's ridden it, she knows how to ride it. She's only going to get taller, so it'll fit her fine. But I don't know, I kind of feel like that's kind of a expensive first e-bike. So I happen to see, I want something small for her, and I happen to see that Ride One Up is coming out with a Portola 2, and like the very basic light model, which would be perfect for her, is only $900, and it's a torque sensor, and I think she really wants a torque sensor. She rode the NFE, and she didn't like how it was just like a rocket ship, which is the cadence sensor. So yeah, that might be the route we go, but I'll probably buy it before then, because her birthday's literally the day before Halloween. So if she gets the bike, it's November, you know, she's not going to be able to ride very long. Now, I'm probably sure that she'll get sick of it, like every other item, you know, a 12-year-old gets. They want it bad, and then 2 weeks later, they never use it. So we'll have to see. But I've had these Wednesday, today, and tomorrow. So I was able to get 3 days in a row off of work. And I really thought that I wanted to come out here and just make a whole bunch of videos and stuff and create content. But unfortunately, I just haven't had the time. I'm still a little sick. I don't know if you guys can hear it in my pathetic voice. And I've just had all kinds of stuff going on. But I did spend money, which is not good. You know, whenever I have free time, it's terrible, because the first thing I do is I want to spend money. So I did purchase some e-bike related accessories. That's a Amazon brother doing some late night package deliveries. So I did go ahead and I purchased 2 more DJI mics, the DJI 2 mics. So I actually bought the ones that come in the case, and they have the little transmitter and the receivers. So there's $200 right there. So I currently have 4 DJI mics. I also purchased a pair of Beats headphones. You know, I had a cheap pair of like Walmart ones that I would use when I would come out and ride off camera, that actually I like better than the Beats. The Beats, you can kind of hear wind and stuff, so I'm going to take those back. Then today, though, I did go ahead and order 2 bike helmets. So I think maybe, I don't know who that was, but thanks for honking and waving. But I think I may have solved the issue, because my niece, I told her, I'm like, you know, you're going to have to start wearing a helmet. Like, this kid's not wearing a helmet, but, you know, I told her that if I get her an e-bike, you know, I'd like to see her at least wear a helmet when she's out, you know, riding with her friends, because her BFF, the one that went out with us, she's going to want an e-bike too. She thinks I'm going to buy her one too, which is definitely not going to happen. But she's going to want one too. And she's a little bit more daring, I noticed, on the e-bike. Still super safe, but was willing to go faster. And she was, you know, standing up like this. And she was just a little bit more comfortable on the bike than my niece was at first. So I could kind of see them, you know, they do good, but yeah, I want them to wear helmets. So my niece is like, I'm not going to wear a helmet. I'm like, well, if I buy you an e-bike, you're going to wear a helmet when you're not riding with me, you know. I won't require you to wear one if I'm with you, because I literally can watch everything. But I bought 2 just today. I should have them Saturday. 2 smart helmets believe it's a Cena. Man, there were quite a few Cenas. There were like 3 or 4 options, and they were all relatively priced somewhat close to each other. Maybe within $40 to $50. But I went with the Cena C1. So it's just looks like a basic helmet, but it has a built-in communication system that connects via Bluetooth. So you can go ahead and wear the helmet and you can talk to someone else riding with you. And I think you can go like half a mile or something like that. At least that's what they claim. Now, I thought that would be a good idea because if I can get her to wear the helmet, she would be able to talk to me or talk to whoever else she's riding with. And maybe it would make her think that, oh, this is stupid, I'm wearing a helmet. We'll see how that goes. They're supposed to be here Sunday, and I'm not a helmet guy, so maybe this will get me to wear a helmet too. But Mickey D's is rocking and rolling tonight. I feel like it's Friday, even though it's a Thursday. It must be a sports game or something going on at the high school. But those helmets will be here Saturday, and we're gonna take a right here. So I'll try to get a video out this weekend on those helmets just to see how they work. 2 helmets, and luckily, I say I got a pretty big head. I didn't know what size to get myself, but I got a big ass head. So I measured my head, and I was at like 60.5 inches. And according to the sizing guide, that puts me in a large. And my niece, who is probably like 100 pounds, we measured her head, and she's at like 58 centimeters. So technically, she should have got a medium, but I went ahead and got 2 larges because, this is also something that I may use with some of my friends when we go out riding. So, it'll tighten up. It may be a little too big, for her. If her friend gets an e-bike, I think it would be great that they could both wear it. I don't know if the large would fit her, but I'm sure there's a way to make it fit. It may not be perfect, but at least they'll have a helmet on and they can actually communicate with each other. So, damn it. That is strike number 2. Same thing happened. It recorded for a while that time, riding. Everything's going good, and then beep, beep. Your GoPro SD card cannot handle the current settings. Please upgrade to a blah, 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 which I have. So again, I do not know what the issue is, but it really makes me not want to do any more videos. So I need to figure out what I can do. I'm about ready to go try to buy a brand new SD card, even though I bought 4. I'm about ready to go buy a brand new GoPro because, yeah, it's ridiculous. So, all right, we're going to see if we can finish the video. Who knows? Will we finish the video? I don't know, but let's get back on the Vela trick and see if we can finish the video. That is just one of those things that just absolutely drives me crazy because I cannot figure out why it does that. You Google it, and people are having the exact same issue, and they're being told that they need to buy a better SD card or they need to completely reformat their SD card, which I've done. So I'm gonna try tomorrow. Now I don't even know if I even want to try now, because if I want to travel that far and for my GoPro or whatever SD card to jack up on me, yeah, I'll probably end up going in jail. I'll probably end up throwing it in a pond of nasty water. But weather permitting, I really thought tomorrow was going to be the day where I was finally going to go to northern Indiana. I think it's about 2 hours away, and check out the one of the trails that I've been hearing about nonstop. Pumpkinhead. No, Pumpkinhead. That's a shitty ass early 90s horror franchise. Pumpkin Vine. I think it's Pumpkin Vine. One of those trails up there in northern Indiana. It's like, I think it's a pretty good distance, like 16 miles each way through some Amish land. So I'm all about seeing some horses, some buggies, You know, Jebediah, Sister Jezebel out there milking the cows and chopping down trees with their bare hands. But I don't know, we'll see. That would require me to probably get up early. I probably would bring every single GoPro battery. I would bring every single SD card I have and every single prayer that I'd be able to get a video in, because it is extremely frustrating when I come out here and I really want to do a video and I just can't do a complete video, and I don't know how to fix it. So, but all right, guys, just giving you a quick update here. This might be a midnight upload. I may upload this tonight at midnight because, again, this wasn't a planned video. I just thought, hey, it's 8:30 at night. Let's get out and do a quick video, see if we can do a quick video, which has not been easy today. But yeah, so stay tuned to the channel. Again, I'm going to try to maybe hit that spot tomorrow. Just depends on how far I want to drive. I don't know if I really feel like driving 2 hours each way. And I don't even know if the weather's going to be good. I haven't even checked the weather. I think it's supposed to be like okay, but not great. And Saturday I read that there is a chance of storms, but you can at least count on a couple videos this week if I'm able to get them out. If not, just go back and watch my old videos and give them thumbs up and leave brand new comments and all that good stuff, because right now, as of like an hour ago, we are I think 5 subscribers away from hitting 900, which means once we hit that 900, we're going to be you know, very close to double digits to getting that 1,000 subscriber that I've been shooting for. So if you like the content, if you like a GoPro crashing out on me and me crashing out during the video because it annoys me, give the video a like, leave a comment, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. But yeah, I'll get a video out this weekend with those helmets. I'll give you my thoughts on them. They seem to be pretty good, and hopefully they work as intended. But as always, thank you for spending your time helping me waste my time and helping me get over the frustration about a GoPro/SD card that is gonna take me to an early grave, I swear. But I'll see you guys in the next one.